Good morning, students. Today, reasoning chapter 1, class 7th, that is analogy and classification. Analogy means a comparison between two things that shows a way in which they are similar. And now, see first example number 1, that is letter is to word and page is to book. So, answer C is the book. And in example number 2, two numbers are given. 273 is to 732 and 475, and we have to find this. 237 732 means digits are reversed, so answer is 574. So answer B is there. And in example number 3, figures are given. We see that in the first figure, inside a box is circle and triangle, then pentagon. In second, pentagon, triangle, then circle. That means inner figure become outer and outer become. So answer is that is in C part, square, then pentagon, then again square. Now square, then so answer is A. A is the answer. Square, then pentagon, then square. So A is the option there. Now fourth example is there are two parallel lines. Then in C is the odd one. We have to choose the figure in the different from the rest. That is C. In option C, lines are not parallel in example 4. Now see in example 6. Example 5. A and X and T and V. In A, 3 lines are used. In X2, V2 and T2. A is the option because in A alphabet two straight lines are used. So find the odd one. Example 6. Example 6 is find the odd one in the given numbers. 832, and number is 832, then 238, then 274, then 382. In these three digit, 2 3 and 8 is used, 2 3 and 8 is used, 2 3 and 8 is used. Now in option C, 274, the option is C. C is the odd one. Example 7, that is find the odd one out. Mother, father, wife, sister. Mother, wife, sister, all are females, but father is a male. So option B is the answer. Now come to exercise. In exercise, question 1 is question 1 in exercise is 63 is to 48 35, that we have to find. 63, if we see that 8 square is 64 minus 1, then 7 square is 49 minus 1, that is this is 35, sorry. 6 square minus 1, that is 35. Here 5 square minus 1, that is 24 is the answer. So option B is the answer of question 1. Question 2 is 10 is to 26 is to 23, 10 is to 26, 17 is to dash. Now see here 3 square plus 1, that is 9 plus 1. 4 square plus 1. 3 square, 3 cube plus 1, 3 cube, just 27 minus 1, like 3 cube minus 1 is this, that is 27 minus 1, 26. Here 4 square plus 1, that is 4 square plus 1, that is 16 plus 1, 17. Here 4 cube minus 1, 4 cube is 64 minus 1, 63 is the answer. Now in 63 option is D is the option. So in question 2 D is the option. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is 11 is to 17 is to 23, and we have to find the fourth one. 11 plus 6 is 17, and 23 plus 6 is 29. So answer is 29. Option is B. B is the option in question 3. Question number 4 is 4 is to 18 is to 48. We have to find 4 is to 18 means 1 2 square is 4, 1 into 2 4, 2 into 3 square, 1 into 2 square is 4, that is 1 into 2 into 3 square, 9 to the 18, 3 into 4 square, that is 16 to 48. Now 4 into 5 square, that is 5 square is 25, 25 4s are 25 4s are 100. Fourth B is 100. C is option. Now in question number 5, question number 5 is 14 is to 14 is to question 5 is 41. 41 is to 14, and 73 is to dash. Now in this 41, 14 digits are reversed. No, 37 is the answer. Option is 37. Option is B. Question 6. Teeth to chew, mind to think. So answer is think. Think means A option. Question 7 is countries to state, and years is to odds, days, weeks, and months. Months is the answer. D is option. Question 7, D is the option. Now question number 8. Question 8 is Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. So B is option. Question number 9. Question number 9 is mother, home, teacher, school. So school is C option. Question number 10. Poverty, wealth, yoga, health. A is option. Question number 11. Now two state rays are there, like this and this, and next box is this and this. The now third is now option is in D. Both the arrows are in the same direction. All the arrows are in the same direction, so answer is D. Now question number 12. In question number 12 is figures are given A and inverted and with dots. Next figure is this. Answer is C part. C is option, question number 12. Question number 13. 1 to 3 lines and from 3 straight lines triangle is formed. 1 2 3 4 5 6 hexagon. B is the option. Hexagon, 6 sides is hexagon. And question number 14. There is a hexagon and inside a pentagon in the shape of hexagon. One side is open at the right and then one side reduced to pentagon. Now the next is this square is there. Inside the square there is a, now it become triangle like this triangle, and inside the triangle it become like triangle, and inside the triangle this shape. So D is the option. Question 15. Now this shape is given and it become this. Now in next figure this figure is given and it become, so option, two figures again. Option C is there. Question 15, option C is there. Question number 16 is 216 numbers are there. 3 4 3 4 1 6 and 7 2 9. These are perfect cubes, but this is not a perfect cube, so 416 is the odd one, that is option B. Now question number 16, option is B. Question number 17. 23. 17 question is 221, 284, 362, 393 and 495. 2 ones are 2, middle term is 2, 2 4s are 8, middle term is 8, 3 2s are 6, middle term is 6, 3 3s are 9, middle term is 9, 4 5s are 20, this is the odd one. So 495 is the odd one, that is C option. Question 18. Diameter, chord, diagonal and radius. Diameter, chord and radius are the part of circles, but diagonal is not a part of, so diagonal, C is the option. Question number 19. 18 is not this. 18 is 17, 23, 13, 63, 79. So in 18 question, this is a prime number, this is a prime number, this is a prime number, this is not a prime number, this is prime. 63, so 63 is the odd one. 63 is D. In 18 D is option. Question number 19 is, yes, now this question comes, diameter, chord, diagonal and radius. So diagonal is the C part, it is not a part of a circle. Square, rhombus, parallelogram, pentagon. Square, rhombus and parallelogram are 4-sided figures, but pentagon is a 5, so pentagon is the odd one, that is D option. Question number 20, D option. Now question number 21 is meter, centimeter, liter and kilometer. Meter, centimeter and kilometer are units of distance, but liter is capacity, so liter is the odd one, so option liter is A. Question 21, option is A. Now see question number 22. In question number 22, figures are given. R, Q and S are the mirror image, but this G is not a mirror image, so B is the option. Question number 23 is, first figure is this, second is, third is, and fourth is, this is the inverted one, so this is the odd one, so answer is B is the odd one. Now question number 24 is, there is a figure, same figures in the inside the figure in first, second is same, third is the odd one. See, all the figures are not same. In question number 25, there is a time on a clock. You say, see in C part, in 7, instead of 7 it is written 8. There is 8 instead of 7 in C part. Yes, after 6 no 7 is there, after 6 7 8 is there, so C is the odd one. Thank you.